Hello there, it's good to be back. Here we have a problem of L360. On our third head cleaning, the yellow is still there, but on the fourth cleaning, the yellow went missing. The cause of that is the cartridge is empty with ink. And the solution for this is to get a syringe like this and insert it here on this hole. After inserting, pull the suction handle of the syringe until the cartridge is full and then remove it. Wipe the tip of the syringe and repeat this process to all the cartridge. So check the other cartridge if they are empty and repeat the process. Every cartridge you need to wipe the tip of the syringe so that it will not mix the other ink on the next cartridge. You also need to empty the syringe. Let me share some problems that printer encounters due to this empty cartridge. One is after doing head cleaning, printing is okay. Then after printing a few pages, the problem occurs again. Second, when you are printing a picture, the first part of the picture is okay, but after printing you found out that half of the picture has missing colors. Third, even when you do power flashing, you will have the same problem. One cause why cartridges are emptied is when the ink tank ran out of ink. So don't forget to check the ink tank and refill it when it has a little ink. Don't wait for it to be empty. After the cartridge has been refilled with ink, you do a head cleaning, and after head cleaning you print a test page if it's okay and it's done, but if it's not, then do a second head cleaning until the print of the nozzle check is okay. This is the first print after the head cleaning. So yellow is not yet there, but the black seems okay, and the other colors. Let's click the clean again, start, and wait for it. Click print nozzle check after the clean. Then let's wait for it to print. Let's insert the bond paper and wait for it. Okay, so we have the yellow already, just light, so I think we will do a third head cleaning and that would be okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned something from this video.